Wondering what the new blue and the new product red color Apple Watch 6 really look like? Let's check them out. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'll do a quick unboxing of the new blue color Apple Series 6 watch and try out some new features. I'll also show my wife's new product red Apple Watch towards the end of the video. By the way, if you're wondering if Series 6 or the new Apple Watch SE are worth getting or upgrading to from Series 5 or older Apple Watches, I went through my thought process in an earlier video. I'll link it up here and below in the descriptions if you're interested. Let's get to it. Always exciting to open up a new Apple product. Let's do the blue one first. The packaging is all white with a small picture of the particular model in the box in the back. This is the first time Apple Watch is in blue. As usual, Apple packaging is simple and a pleasure to open up. No need to use a cutter at all. I could tell a lot of thoughts went into packaging, and I appreciate it every time I unbox something from Apple. The Series 6 packaging is similar to the older Apple Watches, except it's quite a bit thinner. Here I have the Series 5 box from last year. The new Series 6 box is thinner because Apple is no longer giving us the power adapter with these watches. Looks like this is an ongoing trend since there have been many rumors that the upcoming iPhone 12 would not come with the powered adapter either. Apple mentioned that the reason is to reduce environmental impact. I'm sure it has to do with cost savings for Apple too. We do still get the magnetic charging cable, so that's good. Let me quickly try out a couple of major new features. First, of course, is the oxygen level monitor. It takes 15 seconds. Apple says to make sure your Apple Watch is snug but comfortable on your wrist. Stay still and make sure your wrist is flat with the Apple Watch facing up. Tap start, then keep your arm steady for 15 seconds. There it is, 97%. Good. Majority of people have a blood oxygen level between 95 and 99%. Next, Series 6 with the new S6 chip is supposed to be 20% faster. Let's see if we can see any difference. I have my Series 5 here on my left and the new Series 6 on the right. Looks like there is when I open up an app for the first time, but if it's just been opened recently, the app seems to open just as quickly between the two. Can't really tell when I scroll around the apps either. Overall, the new Series 6 does feel a little bit snappier from time to time, but not by much, since Series 5 is already quite smooth for me. Lastly, let's see if the always-on display is indeed brighter. It's supposed to be 2.5 times brighter. It doesn't seem like a big difference indoors. Not sure if the cameras can pick this up, but I could tell a little bit that the white hands and the blue and the red rings are a bit brighter on the new Series 6. This seems to be more noticeable outdoors. I'm really liking this new blue color. It's better than I thought in person. I've always had black Apple Watches since I preferred it over the silver and gold color ones, but this blue is a great addition. You can see how it compares with my black Series 5. I like how it's a darker shade of navy blue which looks almost black in low lights. It adds a little color without being too loud. The blue band also matches the blue aluminum case perfectly. It looks awesome when I pair it with this new GMT watch face, or a custom blue Omega watch face, and the custom blue Gundam watch face. And very elegant with this Cartier watch face from Clockology. By the way, if you want to play around with much more custom watch faces, check out the Clockology app. I'll link a video on how to set it up here and below in the descriptions. As promised, I also have my wife's new product red Apple Watch with me. It looks great with this Mickey Mouse watch face. I like how the packaging is customized with the red logo and lettering. This is the first ever product red Apple Watch, and my wife's first Apple Watch. It has the same shade of red as all the other Apple product red devices, like her iPhone, and it looks great. It really pops. If this is the color for you, Apple will donate a portion of the proceeds from your purchase to the Global Fund to Fight AIDS. This is a 40mm case size, and this is how it compares to the 44mm watch. There are 4 exclusive matching product red bands. The Classic Sport Band and the Sport Loop both are available now in September 2020. And the new Solo Loop and the braided Solo Loop will be available next month in October. My wife picked the Sport Loop here. Very comfortable and easy to wear. The shade of red on the loop is a little bit brighter than the watch case. Perhaps it'll get darker with time to match the case better. It has a thicker, darker purple edge on one side, and a light purple color end, and a thinner, lighter purple edge on the other side. Besides the new oxygen sensor, the new blue and product red aluminum colors, along with the new graphite and darker gold stainless colors, are the main draw of the Apple Watch Series 6. I'm glad to report that the new blue and the product red colors do stand out and look beautiful in person. These colors are great additions to the Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share. Let me know in the comment section below which Apple Watch colors you like. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.